Welcome dear students. Today we shall discuss exercise 5.3 of the chapter complex numbers and quadratic equations for class 11 students. The topic of the day is quadratic equation. Quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. So first of all, in class 10 we have studied about quadratic equation. What was that? Quadratic equation is of this form: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and from this we know that the value of x, that is the root of x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divide 2a. This way we used to find the roots of the equation. In this exercise also we are going to follow the same rule, but only there is one change. In class 10 here the discriminant b square minus 4ac, this was greater than or equal to 0, but here in complex numbers, while solving the quadratic equations, we shall have b square minus 4ac less than 0. So this is the only change in this exercise. So we are going to solve the equations. So let us start now. First of all, question number 1, solve x square plus 3 is equal to 0. How to solve? First of all, we write it as x square equal to minus 3. So this means x is equal to plus minus square root of minus 3. Now what we know about square root of minus 1? We know that this is called iota. Therefore, accordingly, square root of minus 3 is equal to iota square root 3. So this is the way how we can write this equation now. The roots becomes x is equal to plus minus iota square root of 3. This is the solution of the given equation. Now coming to question number 2, solve 2x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and from here the value of x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divide 2a. Moreover, we insert here iota sign because of b square minus 4ac, that is negative less than 0. So in order to make this positive, we put here iota outside. So this way we have x is equal to minus b is equal to 1 plus minus iota by default square root of b square, mean to say 1 square minus 4ac 4, sorry, this time this becomes, first of all we write this equation as it is, but because b square minus 4ac is less than 0, so we write x is equal to minus b plus minus iota square root of we write here 4ac minus b square upon 2a. So this is the way how we are going to follow in this exercise. So this becomes now, first of all, writing 4ac. 4 into a is 2 and c is 1 minus b square. B is 1, its whole square, upon 2 into a is 2. So this becomes minus 1 plus minus iota square root of 4 into 2 8, 8 minus 1 7, whole divide 4. So this way, this is the solution of the given quadratic equation. Question number 3, solve x square plus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. Again, we shall follow this rule, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. X is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Because b square minus 4ac is less than 0, so we write it equal to x equal to minus b plus minus iota outside. So this b square minus 4ac becomes 4ac minus b square. Rest everything is same. So this is equal to, we write here x is equal to minus b. Minus what is b? This is 3. Plus minus, next is iota, square root of 4ac. 4 into a is 1, c is 9, minus b square. B is 3. 3 whole square, whole divide 2a. A is 1. So this is equal to minus 3 plus minus iota square root 9 into 4, 36 minus 9 upon 2. This is equal to minus 3 plus minus 36 minus 9 is equal to 27. Square root 27 upon 2, iota is here. So this is the solution of the given quadratic equation. Now coming to question number 4, solve minus x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. So according to this rule, we have x is equal to minus b. B is equal to 1 minus 1 plus minus iota is the next term, then square root b square 4ac. 4, what is a? Coefficient of x square, which is minus 1. What is c? C is minus 2 minus b square. What is b? Coefficient of x, which is equal to 1, its whole square, upon 2 into a. A means coefficient of x square, which is minus 1. So this is equal to minus 1 plus minus iota square root of 4 2s are 8 minus 1 upon minus 2. So this is equal to minus 1 plus minus iota square root of 7 upon minus 2. So this is the solution of the given quadratic equation. Question number 5 is solve x square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. So this means x is equal to minus b minus 3 plus minus iota square root 4ac. 4 into a is 1, c is 5, minus b square. B is 3 whole square upon 2 into a is 1. So this is equal to minus 3 plus minus iota square root of 20 minus 9 upon 2, which is equal to minus 3 plus minus iota. This becomes square root of 11 upon 2. Question number 6 is x square minus x plus 2 equal to 0. So according to this, x is equal to minus b. B is again minus 1 plus minus iota square root sign 4ac. 4 into a is 1, c is 2, minus b square. B is minus 1, its whole square, upon 2a. 2 into a is 1. So this is equal to minus minus plus 1 plus minus iota square root 4 into 2 8 minus minus 1 whole square plus 1 upon 2. This is equal to 1 plus minus iota square root of 7 upon 2. This is the final answer. Now solving question number 7, square root 2x square plus x plus square root 2 equal to 0. So here x is equal to minus b. B is 1 plus minus iota square root of 4ac. 4 into a is square root 2, c is again square root 2, minus b square. B is 1 whole square. So divide 2a. 2 into a means coefficient of x square, square root 2, which is equal to minus 1 plus minus iota square root of, this will become 2 into 4 8 minus 1 upon 2 square root 2. So this is equal to minus 1 plus minus iota square root 7 upon 2 square root of 2 is the final answer. Question number 8 is solve square root 3x square minus square root 2x plus 3 square root 3 equal to 0. So we have x is equal to minus b. B is minus square root of 2 minus plus minus iota into square root of 4ac. 4, what is a? Square root 3. C, what is c? 3 square root 3 minus b square. What is b? B is minus square root of 2, its whole square, upon 2 into a. A is square root 3. So this way this becomes plus square root 2 plus minus iota square root of square root 3 into square root 3, 1 3. 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 4, 36. Minus minus square root 2 whole square mean 2 upon 2 square root 3 whole divide equal to square root of 2 plus minus iota 36 minus 2, 34. Square root 34 upon 2 square root 3. Question number 9. Solve x square plus x plus 1 upon square root 2 equal to 0. So first of all, we simplify this equation, that is we multiply throughout the equation by square root of 2. So this becomes square root of 2 x square plus square root of 2 x plus 1. 0 into square root 2, 0. Now we follow this rule. X is equal to minus b. What is b? This is square root of 2 plus minus iota square root of, what is 4ac? 4. A is square root 2, c is 1 minus b square. B is square root of 2, its whole square, whole divide 2 into a. A means square root of 2. So this way minus square root 2 plus minus iota 4 into square root 2 minus 2 upon 2 square root 2. This is the final answer of this question. Question number 10 is also very simple question. Again we multiply it throughout by square root 2. So this equation becomes square root of 2 x square plus x plus square root through 2 is equal to 0. Now according to this rule, the value of x is minus b is 1, plus minus iota square root of 4ac. 4a is square root 2, c is also square root 2, minus b square minus 1 square upon 2a. A is square root 2. So this becomes minus 1 plus minus iota square root 2 into square root 2, 2 into 4, 8 minus 1 upon 2 square root 2. So which becomes minus 1 plus minus iota square root 7 upon 2 square root 2. That's all of this exercise. Thank you very much.